suggestion for preparation of verbal, quant, and DI. What if you have to spend two sentences for each to suggest?
For verbal, if you look at reading comprehension, whenever you are practicing, like try to solve official questions after a certain period of time. Like you do not need to do like you are solving non-official questions for 2-3 weeks straight, but you should like in a week after 2-3 days you need to repeat official questions because they will give you a better base which are more accurate to the original questions. And on RC, the major problem that I made when I was solving non-official questions, like specifically LSAT questions, the purpose of LSAT RCs are very different than GMAT official. So in GMAT questions, they are focusing on big picture stuff, the main idea of the passage, what author is saying, how it is saying it, how he is saying it. But in LSATs, the scope is different. They want to figure out if you are able to find out the intricate details into the passage or not. So purpose is different. So you need to solve for that. Whenever you are doing any question, target which you get the big picture stuff. Specific details you can read it later. There's good enough time. For critical reasoning main thing is that if you are able to identify premise conclusion and you are able to like second thing is you need to be as close as to the premise and conclusion. The question is a premise, stay close to the premise only. If it's conclusion, then stay close to the conclusion, whatever that lessons are told. That strategy works really well for me. So on CR, just stay close to the conclusion of premise and identify what kind of question it is. So this is for verbal. Quant, I don't think I'm a good person for advising you because I didn't have to prepare anything there. And in DI, major thing that I struggle with is completing the paper on time. So what I used to tell myself is like because I've seen and there will be a time in that in DI section where you will think that I will not be able to complete this particular section because sometimes there are a lot of questions in the end, but not enough time. But I have seen in my mocks that if you just keep on doing the questions, you will somehow will be able to do it. So just trust the process in that one. Just keep solving the question. And if you have to leave, just sacrifice last few questions instead of distributing your time in last 4 or 5 questions. Just sacrifice one or two. It will give you better score.